Hello everyone, hopefully you can see me. Today I actually went to the Smelters picnic, which was awesomeness. I did a lot of lucky dips. So I'm going to show you what I get in all of them. First of all, got diamond paintings, which of course I had to get it. All these ones were about $2 each. One was like $3. Ah, cute. Little Pokemon thing. Little sticky hand. Little Pokemon. It's like a little Pokemon lucky dip. I'll be opening up the ones that I need to open after. So this is one of them. Oh, cool. It's a fidget toy. Fidget toy. This is the jewellery one. Oh, that's cool. A little... Oh, I'm going to have to do it another time, like find out how to extend it a lot more, because I don't think that will fit my head. But that is actually quite cute. It's like a little love heart necklace. Okay. Let it know. Oh, Karumi little things. So, what did we get? Oh, that's cute. What is it though? Oh, little cards. Got that card. That card. And I got a Purin one, which I'll put over there in my Lego set. And I don't know what that one is. Can anyone tell me in the comments what that is? I know it's that little puppy dog, but I don't know what one it is. It's like that little thing there. Also, I'll open this one to see what Pokemon we got. Oh, Charizard! Nice! Hasn't got his eyes on there, but that's okay. Little Charizard. So let me know if you want to do some more unboxing videos. And I can also do ones from Kmart. Go on a Kmart vlog and doing like the thing. So, got that. And I also got other stuff as well. I just need to find them now. I also got like a little paw print keyboard clicker. I'd be able to do when I'm wanting to stim a lot. Cute little clips and a scrunchie. I think that's all I got today. Oh, and some plants, pot plants from the council, which was free, so that's good. Hope you like my unboxing, and see you guys next time. Okay, bye guys. Mwah.